Oh, good morning there, guys. Here we are down at the allotment, and this is my small space gardening collaboration video. Hope I got that right. But anyway, I'm going to show you some of what I've got going on down here at the minute, and a bit later on when I get home there'll be a second part to this video which will show the actual seed packets and why I prefer to grow them. So we'll get on with that now. I'll just turn it round. So yes, part of my overall plan is a bit of square foot gardening, but also companion planting. So companion planting, so we've got strawberries here, but I've also put a few onions in, as you can see, going down there. So apparently onions repel some pests that strawberries get. So I have to wait and see on that one. And there I've got a few little gem lettuce, just to make use of this box, which I've had for quite a while now. As you can see, it's still got the old plot number on it. That's my missus, and obviously that's me. And in here I've got carrots in that one. So effectively that is a square foot. So, and then in here on this half I've got spring onions, so when they're a bit more established I'll put a few more in there. And then along here, the main crop of onions, but also where the these little stays are, there's a couple of rows of carrots in there, which some of them seem to be coming up, so I'm happy with that. And cold frame number one, over at the back here, multi-sown leeks, marigolds. They'll be used to repel black fly and various other pests. Here, multi-sown beetroot, bolt hardy, name says it all. They tend not to go into flower. And on the end there's a few golden acre cabbage. Now, even though they are a big cabbage, we absolutely love them. So, and that's a good enough reason to grow it. And some more little gem lettuce there. Sweet peas. And then in here there's broad beans. This year I'm not having any for myself, but that keeps the mother-in-law happy. Another strawberry bed, and on this trellis here, which goes from there up to there and round the corner, again it's companion planting because I will be putting peas in on this side so as I can get at them, obviously. Clear all this out of the way. Another row down there. Mainly because the peas put nitrogen back into the soil, which is always good. And these are the peas, or some of them, that will be going in where I've just been talking about. Along there is all year round cauliflower, these in the square pots. Some of them have been a bit nibbled, but they've recovered. They look considerably better than what they did about a week ago. And then in here, just so as it's not all about veg, some 4 o'clock flowers, which came all the way from Cyprus. And then in here, I've sown another 20 odd peas. This one, I did sow some sunflowers in them, but something got to them, I think. So I'm going to have to redo those. And then garlic. We do use a fair bit of garlic, but I didn't want to have too many of them this year. Storage is a problem for me for garlic and onions. I've got nowhere to like hang them as you would in the traditional way. And then along here, between these 2 stakes and these 2 stakes, there's new potatoes in there, first earlies. Not a lot to see there at the moment, anyway. Oh, excuse me. And the rhubarb has come up. Everything else at the front there is just flowers that I choose to have. That there is some sort of blackcurrant bush, I think, and I think the tree is actually a plum tree, but I have to wait and see on that one. So yeah, that's about it for down here. But like I said, I will be showing the seed packets, etc. When I get back home. So catch you in a bit.